Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Ainur Mardia binti Abdul Ghani. My metric number is 279547. We are from group 5. Today me and my group member would like to present the topic we choose is option 2, that is Pioneer's Bus Company ticketing system. Decades ago, the ticket sales method of bus company were handwritten. Many bus companies now have their own ticket sales system. That our problems are Pioneer's Bus Company does not have a ticket system. Staff need to use handwritten tickets when selling the tickets. The bus company risks losing the ticket record. In this project, the developer will develop the company's ticketing system for Pioneer's Bus Company so that the company's employees can use the ticketing system to book tickets for customers. System Development Life Cycle is SDLC is a method used to improve the quality of the entire development process. This is because this method can clearly plan and guide the entire process.
Hi, my name is Nur Alika Marisa binti Sulaiman and my metric number is 270701. Okay, I will explain about the first step of the system development life cycle. Planning is the first stage of the entire development system. The developer will plan to discuss the project's objective, content, the part that the developer is responsible for, and how to implement the project. In this project, the main purpose is to develop a ticketing system for Pioneer Bus Company. After discuss and planning the result of the implementation of the system are as follows. 1. The system name is Pioneer Bus Company ticketing system. Second, software that we use is Codeblock and Draw.io. And lastly, the programming language is C language.
Hi, my name is Tuan Anis Anira binti Tuan Muhammad Saihan. My metric number is 264644. The second stage is analysis. The developer analyze what kind of ticket system should be designed to suit the Pioneer Bus Company. In addition, the developer has analyzed the company requirement definition for ticket system. The requirement definition for user is 1. Pioneer Bus Company employee can use the ticket system to sell bus ticket without handwriting. All ticket sale record will be recorded in the system and a backup which can reduce the loss of handwritten records. The company can reduce the space and costing of sorting handwritten bus ticket records. Company employee can input ticket information accurately, reducing error in ticket information. And lastly, company employee can complete bus ticket booking for customer efficiently and quickly.
Good morning to my lecturer and my friends. My name is Wong Jie, metric number 261676. For the design stage, the design emphasizes the design of the system from the user point of view. Developer need to design the structure of the entire system, such as the system information, input, output, and other specific operations. First of all, we sketch the main page of the system. The first scene when the user uses it will be the system menu. The menu has options from 1 to 5 which are used to display the timetable, ticket price, booking ticket, return to the menu, and exit the system. Therefore, to use the system, the user can enter 1 to view the schedule, enter 2 to check the ticket price, enter 3 to book ticket, enter 4 back to menu, and enter 5 to exit the system. Besides, we also use the Draw.io software to make the flowchart to develop system instruction sequence. Having a flowchart allows developer to understand the programming process and sequence of the entire system. This is because the flowchart uses the symbols such as the flow line, processing, input and output, decision, process model, and so on to show the process. Therefore, the developer can also find the logic error through the flowchart.
Good morning to Doctor and my fellow classmates. My name is Wong Yi Tang, matrix number 279301. Now I will continue with the implementation part. And this is our bus ticket booking systems. You can see that we have 5 different selections. Number 1, show timetable. 2, ticket price. 3, booking ticket. 4, back to menu. And 5, exit systems. So let's now start with the timetable. Press 1 and enter. The timetable will show up. You can see that we have 6 different destinations, and each one we have 3 different types, which is A, B, and C. This is what we are going to use later to book our ticket. Now let's proceed with the ticket price. Number 2 and enter. And the ticket price will show up. You can see that the ticket price is different according to different destination and the way, which is 1 way or 2 ways. And now we have all the information that we need. We can start to book our ticket by pressing 3 and enter. Now it requires you to enter the information. The first one is date, for example 27 June and 2021. So the second one, you have to select your destination now, which is for example I want to travel to Kubang Basu from Kedah Sungai Petani, which is the first one. I just have to press 1 and enter to select. And now select your time, A, B or C. Say suppose I want to travel at noon, which is 2 p.m. 3:30 p.m. So I just type B here and enter to select the time. Now 1 way or 2 way. I want a 2-way ticket because I want to travel there and return. So 2, enter. And the number of tickets means that how many tickets that you want to buy. Say suppose I want to travel along with my friends. We have total of 3 persons, so I will buy 3 tickets. I just press 3 and enter. And now the first customer name, my name. Second one, Shalini. Third one, Hidayah. Alright. And press 0 to cancel if you did anything wrong. If no, everything is correct, you just press 1 to print out the ticket. 1, enter. Okay, you can see that this is the ticket, and you can check the information in here. The date is 27th of June and 2021. The bus number is ABC123. The destination is Kedah Sungai Petani to Kubang Basu. The time is 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And the customer name, the first one is Mai, second is Shalini, third one is Nur Hidayah, and the other information are the same. So the total price will be 75 ringgit plus 6% of SST, which is 4 ringgit and 50 cents, and the total will be 79 ringgit 50 cents. And after you have successfully booked your ticket, you can just press 5 and enter to exit the systems. Alright, and that is all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. My name is Liu Ka Chun, matrix number 277376. I will continue the presentation by explaining about the maintenance part of system development life cycle for Pioneer Bus Company ticketing system. As we are all aware, no matter how good a system is, every system needs 2 types of maintenance: fixing of bugs and regular system updating. Therefore, it is very important that we need to go through maintenance part in order to keep the system relevant and in good condition. To achieve it, we need to provide maintenance for the system after it starts operating. As the time goes, we may need to replace or add some new features into the system so that the system can keep up with times and the new trend in the market. In this part, we also need to follow up on the system performance by collecting opinions from either employees or customer to determine whether there is a need for any improvement or maintenance after use. Last but not least, we definitely need to evaluate the system from time to time in order to ensure the system is more convenient to use and more sustainable in the future.
In conclusion, the developer chose to use the SDLC waterfall model method to complete this project. This is because this method is more suitable for planning and monitoring the entire process of development ticketing system. During the development ticketing system, the developer are constantly discussing and researching how to complete the ticketing system by programming the coding. The completion time of the entire ticketing system took 22 days, and all the time to complete tasks are recorded in Gantt chart. The Gantt chart shows the progress plan of the development ticketing system.